streets have to be done. I mean, you really don't have it's not a matter of choice for us. It really isn't.
We're just adding more debt then.
I understand that, man, but, you know, some other little stupid things that we've done that have added to our debt too.
But if nothing changes in 2019, we'll be broke.
Something's got to change. I mean, we cannot not take care of the capital infrastructure in this town.
Then we're going to be broke and we're going to have more
Wait,
problems.
you know, we have to deal with that. I mean, you can't have people driving on, you know, destroyed roads.
How are you going to pay for it?
Something's going to happen on the revenue side, and I have enough confidence in the people of the city that they're going to do something. We're not just going to, I mean, I don't perceive.
We've got money coming in soon. It's not here right this minute, the way you want it to be, but it's going to be coming in.
Well, the point of adding
It'll be a help.
Sure.
It'll be a big help.
the point of adding, we're not, as I've said before, we're not a business, we're not a for-profit business, and we are not a financial business.
And my other question, when I said in 2019 we're not going to have any money if nothing changes, Tom, you said no. So maybe I'm missing something. Can you educate me and tell me how that's not accurate? What am I missing here?
We'll have more money in 2019.
How?
I firmly believe that we will come together on something, or the residents will come together on something, or the administration will bring in enough businesses to get us